Got a package. Let's see what we got, man. Oh, got some new keys for the truck. Cause I can't be driving around like this, man. I cannot be driving around like this. Cannot be driving around like this. So yeah, we're about to go to Home Depot. So yeah, man, I just got my keys copied. Right now, I'm gonna program this key right here. Basically, you see how this right here don't unlock my doors? See, right? I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that shit, man. Basically, you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let it clock, and then you hit it. Turn it off. Now you got a remote, man. I did get these off Amazon. It came with 2 sets for $20. If you got 2 remotes, it's the same thing for both. So let me show you. Did it kick out that one? Oh, you gotta do both at the same time, I think. I think it kicks out the one you got. Alright, so let's do this again for both of the keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit one key. Hit the other key. Boom. Got both keys locked in. Turn off the car. See if they both work. First key. Second key. Both work, man. As you can see, man, new key. My truck just got some new keys, man. I did cut them. I gotta figure out how to freaking program the keys now. Cause supposedly if you don't got 2 original keys, you can't program the 3rd key. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, man. If you got a truck like mine, I just taught you how to program your key if you lose your key. If you never had a remote for your truck, now you do. Let me see if this beep thing works. Let me lock my doors. I did not know my truck could do that. That's lit. Shit, let me see something real quick. Let me see if my alarm actually works now. That shit should activate my alarm, right? Shit, man. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. In that case, beat that out.